Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video we'll cover order of adjectives. Students, there is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel, and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now, without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Order of adjectives. Order of adjectives tells us that in what manner or in what way or what steps should be followed in ordering adjectives when they are used before nouns. So, in a manner in which how adjectives could be placed before adjectives if more than one adjective is used in describing that particular word. It starts with quantity or number. For example, 11 players. Then comes the opinion, good, bad, etc. Good boy. Then it is preceded by size, huge tree. Then comes the shape, round, table, square, triangular, anything that you require to write. Next is condition, frail woman, poor woman, rich woman. The condition of a person is determined. After condition comes the age, like old man, middle-aged woman, a young girl, etc. Then comes the color, blue sky, orange sari, a black door, etc. After color, what we have is the pattern, striped shirt, right, a lining shirt, etc. Then comes the origin, Indian boy, American girl, Canadian pizza, etc. After the origin comes the material, refers to what something is made up of, like a wooden cupboard, a plastic chair, etc. After the material comes the purpose of the usage of that particular noun, a sleeping bag, etc. So all these were the order in which the adjectives can respectively put into describing the nouns. So let's have a look at some examples wherein we can witness the different usage of the adjectives according to the manner of their usage. The first one is, I love that big old red antique car that is parked in front of Mr. Sharma's house. Big, size, old, the condition, the age, red color, right? And what is the condition? It is antique car. The next example is, Tom took along 3 large ripe apples for his playmates. 3 large ripe apples. See, 3 is the number, right? Large is the size and ripe is the condition. So therefore this is the basic manner in which we adjust different kinds of adjectives when used to describe nouns. So students, that was all for today's video class. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing, and all the important playlists will be linked down for you in the description box.